Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum my all YouTube family. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So how are you all? Hope you are very fit and fine. Today I want to share a very beautiful, very stunning and embellished designs of welcome to our YouTube channel's AN Creations. Today I want to share AN Creations videos. We have to upload it for you. And next topics for uploaded, it's your choice. And this video is all about the crochet. Share with newly videos and trendy ideas. Trendy videos, you look be stunning and you look be embellished and fantastic videos of crochet and creations. We are uploading newly videos of cocoon sweaters. कोकन स्वेटर डिज़ाइंस की आज की वीडियो में आप सबके लिए लेकर आई हूँ. वेरी गॉर्जियस डिज़ाइंस ऑफ यू लुक and stunning and fabulous videos to look be stunning gorgeous designs ideas I have shared with cocoon sweaters. We have to share with newly patterns, newly designs and two patterns I have shared with you, and different varieties of cocoon sweaters like one color combinations, two color combinations, but I have shared with newly designs. Keep stunning, keep sharing, and stay will be amazing designs. You look be perfect videos I have shared with you. I have shared newly gorgeous videos. You look be stunning. And basically जो भी आप लोगों को इस तरह के कोकन स्वेटर्स दिखाए जाते हैं जो कि स्पेशली अपलोडेड किए जाते हैं आपकी डिमांड पे, ये सभी आप सब के लिए काफ़ी हेल्पफुल होते हैं और हम सब के लिए भी. और जस्ट ये होता है कि आप लोगों ने लाइक करना होता है, कमेंट करना होता है, वीडियोस के रिलेटेड थोड़ी सी पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू देना होता है अपना, कि आप लोगों का पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू किस चीज़ पे है, कहाँ से आप लोग देखना चाहते हैं. मैनी मोर अट्रैक्टिव थिंग्स आइडियाज़. You look be fabulous videos I have shared with you. I have shared with newly videos and keep amazing, keep stunning videos. So I requested all of you to subscribe to our channel, press the bell icon and hit the button of all notification. All subscribers, all newly members, today will be amazing videos. You look be amazing designs ideas I have shared with you, and newly videos for more attractive design, more stunning videos. So let's go, inshallah we will meet again in the next video. Do not forget to subscribe if you guys are interested in my videos in my channel. So thanks for watching our videos. Thanks once again. Take care yourself. Allah Hafiz. Bye bye. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum my all YouTube family. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So how are you all? Hope you are very fit and fine.